I want to start with this question in the referendum. You asked the referendum question, Bougainville shall be independent. Second question, Bougainville shall have greater autonomy. When those answers to these two questions were not qualified in law. What do you mean by independence when the Constitution does not provide for any part of this country to disintegrate? You provide the law. Constitution does not provide any answer for one part of the country to disintegrate or break away. Yet you went and administered Bougainville that you shall be given independence. Why did you go and administer, say, independence when the Constitution did not provide the answer for this? Secondly, you went and administered a question, greater autonomy. So what do you qualify by greater autonomy? You went and gave hope in a referendum question that did not have the answer in law. And you're pushing this national government and ABG running around all over the place with various constitutional provisions and laws and all that you are talking about, because fundamentally two important questions you administered gave hope to Bougainville is not found in law. You will either disintegrate this country or you will build a unity. So this time, Mickey Mouse question beyond shooting government or shooting opposition. You leader here. National government, one time ABG, through law JSP process here. You go and do a proper consultation, meaningful consultation, like what Sepik is saying. In the event this referendum is brought to Parliament as it is, and if Parliament rejects the ratification process, what is the solution? Hey, it's not an easy process. In the event Parliament rejects it, what's the hope for Bougainville? Don't become too emotional on this thing.
I was in opposition, sitting at the back. One time you talk Bougainville, na look him. The Honorable Tim Masiu, and me sit down and cry here. This is a matter that is really sensitive to the people of Bougainville. 97.7% in favor of independence. Now we can say this is not an emotional issue, but unfortunately it is. You can bring him all ting na sawe blow you mean awesome. But be mindful that the people of Bougainville are actually watching us. That to them means everything. Not one single member of parliament has been elected with a 97% majority. Not one. The people of Bougainville want a solution. What have we done to convince the people of Bougainville that they are better off with us than without us? Apa ste mi look long statement long Prime Minister. Na inside lo here mi tokol sem. Only 16% of national resources go to the provinces. 16%, Prime Minister's own admission in his statement. Out of that 16%, how much goes to Bougainville? Suppose vote come, but you may talk no, lo people blow Bougainville. I wonder how many of them are feeling right now over in Bougainville. This is very much an emotional issue. It's about finding a way forward. If I waited 5 years for a response, me too, but me belhat. Because me too, me human being. Are we honest when we deal with the people of Bougainville, especially their leaders? Even if it's not in the Constitution, my goodness, I have sat here and watched us change the Constitution 5 times like that. On a matter of national importance, we don't want to change the Constitution. But when it suits us, hey, you miss a sprint lo sense in Constitution. You make a name lo sense in Constitution los la law. Now we go back and say, oh, but the Constitution says no. Hold on a minute. We are the ones that can change it like this. That's the reality. And the people of Bougainville watch us. So I want to say that again. They want a solution, because if we don't give them a solution, then the leaders of Bougainville now, I'm sure, they will be in trouble with their own people. Yeah. Because all people of Bougainville are talking about leader blow. And what have you achieved in 5 years? Nothing. Like I said, this is a very emotional issue. It's nothing less.